Hi guys, hope this helps out someone. Got an 01 Toyota Rav4, changing out the radiator. You're gonna have to disconnect O2 sensor, take it out. You're gonna have to take off the heat shield for the exhaust manifold. You're gonna have to disconnect the O2 sensor right there. You're gonna have to take out the fan on the passenger side, 3 bolts, 10 millimeter. You're gonna have to take off, there's a bracket in the middle as well as the hood latch. You're gonna have to take off. That's 3 10 millimeter bolts. The hood latch is 2 10 millimeter bolts. Most everything is 10 on this. This side here, you got some wire harness disconnect, and also down on the bottom you got the temperature sensor disconnect from the radiator, and you got the return and the high pressure line hoses right there for the trans cooler lines. After you get all that disconnected, you're gonna have to disconnect these Phillips screws in the radiator support bracket. Yeah, this whole thing here is the radiator support bracket. Okay. And she should be ready to come out. Also, they don't tell you the grill is going to have to come loose as well. So be aware of that so you don't damage that. Okay. All of those have to come out, and she should be ready to pop out. Okay, again, this is a 01 Toyota Rav4 automatic. Hopes this helps out someone that's trying to do the same thing. Any questions, comment below. Always glad to help out. Make sure, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.